this video, I will show you how to get Binance Refer ID. So first of all, open up your Binance app. And if you aren't started yet on Binance, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn $100 also for free. And what you need to do for this is basically clicking on the link down below and signing up through this link. And then you need to deposit $50 within your first 14 days. And then you will earn $100 for free. So anyway, let's dive into this video. And in order to get your Binance Refer ID and to do this yourself, you need to click on Referral from your home screen, or you can click on the Binance logo at the top left, and then under shortcut, click on Referral. And once you click on Referral, you can see Refer a Friend and both earn $100. So how does this work? I already told you, you need to share this link with your friend, and then you need to invite your friends to sign up and deposit more than $50 within 14 days of the registration. And then you will both receive a $100 trading fee rebate voucher. So how you need to do this is you need to click on your referral link down below, and then you need to copy this to your clipboard and then send this link to your friends or just share it on a platform. And when people sign up through this link, you will earn this bonus. So that is your Refer ID. You also have your referral code in here, but your referral link is your main way on how to claim your referral bonuses. So go ahead and use this link for that. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And don't forget to sign up in the link down below to earn this bonus yourself. So thank you guys for watching and subscribe to my channel.